folks. Ryan Newman here. I haven't really introduced myself. I, along with my friend Mike, who's now running the video here, we're the ones that rescued the 359 Peterbilt a while back. Can't believe the popularity that truck has gotten. Very thankful for that. It's great to see any truck gain popularity. It does a lot for the hobby. Wanted to give an update on the truck. I know a lot of people have asked for an update. I know there'll be a lot of unhappy people. Well, I don't know why there would be, but I've sold the truck. The woman that I bought it from, she knows that it's been sold. She was actually very happy to hear where it's going to. A fellow by the name of John Pino up in the northern part of Pennsylvania bought it. He took delivery of it, it'd be 2 or 3 weeks ago now he got it from me. Super happy to have the truck. He's already started to do some cleaning up on it. Mike's going to put some pictures in with the video here to show you of just a quick pressure wash he did the other weekend when it was warm out. It'd be the weekend after he picked it up. He's going to put the truck back on the road. He's going to clean it up. He's going to make the truck right. He has the means to do it, has the want to do it. Better place to do it than I do. If I kept it, it would sit for at least the next couple of years till I had the time and the money and until I get my shop up. I'm currently in my dad's shop working right now. I moved back in the fall here and haven't put a new building up yet. Behind me you'll see one of my projects. This is my 77 Kenworth W900A. I also have a Max Superliner. Those are obviously higher on my totem pole to get done. I've had them longer, and you know, I don't like jumping trucks around. And the Peterbilt was a big project. It really was. I didn't have plans to sell when I bought it. When John talked to me, him and his wife were both very excited about getting the truck and had really good plans for the truck. And I considered that, and I considered how long it was going to sit, and probably within the next year, I would imagine I would see it on the road. I mean, I'm not going to speak for him, but going by what he's told me, he's excited to get started on it and make it a usable truck. It's going to be his truck to run. Once he gets it back on the road, he has a small trucking company. He has a 74A model that's a very beautiful truck that he keeps on the road, plus a couple others. And it's spec'd similar to the Peterbilt with the 36-inch sleeper and the long wheelbase. So yep. They look like twins almost. Yep. So the truck's got a good home, and I hope people take that into account. I'm sure there will be some commenting on the fact that I sold it, but like I said, I was up front. The woman that I bought the truck from, I've known. I knew the owner of the truck, and her and I spoke a couple days before John took the truck home, and she was actually very happy that I founded a home where it's going to get fixed soon. That's her goal. She didn't care where the truck went. She was happy to see something was going to get done with it. And that was Barry's dream for something to be done with the truck. It's just it never got to where he could do it. Mike's also going to put in a little picture here of a plaque that I made her. When I bought the truck, she asked if she could keep the 0001 license plate off the front of the Peterbilt. So I pulled both license plates off the truck before it left, and I made her a wood plaque and made it. She could hang it on her wall in memory of Barry, something for her to remember him and the truck by. So she was just short of tears when I gave that to her the day that I met up with her. So again, she's happy. The truck's gonna have something done with it. Whether John doesn't do a lot on social media. He said he would keep me updated, said it was fine that we put stuff up just to keep people updated on what's going on with it. I mean, the last I looked, I think it has more views on that video than any other Peterbilt video on YouTube. So again, we're just amazed with how this video went. I've posted videos of lots of stuff that I've rescued over time, and for some reason this one, everybody really took exploded when it became something. Yep. And another thing, guys, to all the haters, you have to realize this was pretty much the definition of an impulse buy. I mean, 3 months ago we had no idea this Peterbilt even existed. So, I mean, the fact that Ryan was able to pick it up and
at least save it from rotting into the woods any further was huge. The fact that, you know, he was able to get it back on the road, or at least hook it up, or hook somebody up with it who was going to get it back on the road is huge, because otherwise, like I said, it would have just sat in the woods for, you know, God knows how long.
Right.
And
now, the owner, he actually passed away in November. I bought the truck the 9th of December. It happened to be a friend of mine from school messaged me and asked if I was interested in another truck, because I'm known for buying trucks and tractors when I can. And I wasn't real keen on buying another one at the time, but told me it was a 359 Peterbilt. Well, of course, I've got to go take a look. And Mike went with me, went down and looked at it, saw that the truck was worth saving. Her and I made a deal on the truck. I paid her what she asked me to pay her for it. And we got lucky and it fired up and it drove home. I mean, I could have had $2,000–3,000 in record bills till I got it home. You know, it may not have started. It could have been, you know, it could have got water in who knows where. Something could have froze, stuck. Actually, the clutch was stuck when we first got it fired up, but I luckily got it to free up. So I took a lot of chance in buying that truck. I just happened to get lucky. So
it wanted to come home. I mean, I think we really got lucky there.
Yeah, that truck wanted to come out of where it was sitting. And we actually went over the truck, we serviced it, put new filters on it, adjusted the brakes, greased it, checked everything over, and John drove it 2.5 hours home without a single problem. So he actually said the longer the truck ran, the happier it felt to go down the road with it. So,
I mean, that was the first time it had been up to highway speed in 20 years, so...
But again, we did just throw it out in the road. We went all over it, checked everything over. He just, you know, took it easy because of the old tires and checked it along the way, and it was happy going home. So.
And the funny thing is, this truck's actually replacing an 07 Peterbilt. So he took the 07 off the road to put a 77 back on the road.
That's what he said his plan is eventually, is to replace his 07 once this is up and on the road. He's tired of electronics letting him sit along the road. So
yeah.
Going back to the reliability of mechanical.
Yep, sometimes you just can't beat the old school, for those of you who hate the old stuff because it smokes and pollutes or whatever you guys say. So we're going to try and keep you guys updated. Like Ryan said, John's not too big on social media, so he'll send us pictures and stuff. Don't know if he'll send us any videos, but he'll definitely send us some pictures, and I'll try and keep you guys all updated with the progress as he works on it. He told us it'll be, you know, it could take as long as, you know, anywhere from 2 months to 2 years to get it done. So, you know, it's a work in progress, but we'll definitely try and keep you guys updated. And me personally, I'm not too big on how-to videos. Those of you guys who follow my channel regularly know that. So if you guys want to actually see a couple 359s getting torn apart and worked on, I would highly recommend checking out 359 Twin Sticks and Bubbles_8V92's channel. They're pretty knowledgeable guys. 359 Twin Sticks started his project, I want to say, a year or two ago, and his is really coming along. He makes some really good in-depth videos, so I would highly recommend checking those guys out. Those guys deserve a lot more views than they have right now, so go check out their channels if you want to see some restorations.
And hopefully in the coming months, as the weather gets a little nicer here, you're going to see some videos of this truck. Again, this is a 77 W900A. It's got an 8V92N, which is a naturally aspirated Detroit. 13-speed direct, which I'm hoping to change out to an over or a double over before spring. This is a 196,000 mile survivor truck. In fact, the guy that I bought it from just recently passed away, very untimely. So I'd like to get this truck up and running and out on the highway here soon. And we'll try and get some videos of my Superliner as well. It's a late Superliner 2 with an E9 450 V8 Mach 12 speed. These are both honestly going to be a lot of cosmetic work. These trucks mechanically are pretty tight, so
yeah, they're both low mileage.
Yep, we're still going to get some videos of these trucks up, and possibly try and do some neat stuff. Another friend of mine does some stuff with drones, so we might do some different driving videos and stuff with drones. We're going to see what we can figure out there and try and do something a little different. So stay tuned. Just
one quick little side note here that I forgot to add in the earlier part of the video. I do have several videos and pictures of the day the 359 left for its new home, But unfortunately, some of the video clips got corrupted for some reason. I still haven't figured out why, and I was kind of disappointed about that. So I'm going to try and salvage whatever clips I can and try putting them in another video for you guys to see the truck leave. I also had to go back and redo Ryan's monologue that you guys just saw. Like I said, I'm not quite sure what happened there, but I am going to post one more video so you guys can see the truck one last time, the day that it got picked up by its new owner, and you'll get to see a clip of it pulling out of his driveway and heading to its new home. So, like I said, we'll keep you guys updated as we get more pictures on it. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And like I said before, definitely check out 359 Twin Sticks and Bubbles 8V92's channels. They're definitely worth checking out. They deserve a lot more credit, honestly. So at this point, we're really just waiting for the weather to get a little bit nicer, and then before you guys know it, it'll be spring, and we'll be taking the Superliner and the W900A out of hibernation and putting them on the road and having a little bit of fun with them, so you guys will have those videos to look forward to. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.